Okay, last little thing. We realized that we got 6/4 as our answer. So let's go ahead and decompose this into our individual pieces so we can simplify. That's 4/4, and if we used 4 of the 6, then we also have 2/4. So that's 1 and 2/4. Oh my gosh. Even numerator, even denominator. That's a dubbing teacher. And that also means that we can simplify. So 1 and 1/2, and if you need to visualize that, let's just take these two pieces, right? And let's take these three pieces and we'll move them over here. There's 1, 2, 3 pieces, and then let's take this piece and let's move it over here. And as you can see, we have 1 whole and 1/2 now, right? But this was 6 groups of 1/4. And remember, just turn your whole number into a fraction, then top times top, bottom times bottom. And don't forget to simplify. Before it's time to say goodbye, don't forget to simplify. So there's 1.5 crackers in image B, and then there was 4 times 6, 24 crackers in image A. All right, so last thing that we're going to do is we are going to do a little matching game. Oops. Clear the screen. All right, so basically what you can take a look at is down the page. So down the page. There it is. So let me shrink this down a little bit. All right. So what you are going to do is you are going to decide which picture matches which expression. All right. So there's 4 expressions in 4 pictures. So all you have to do is with your group, look at the pictures, read the labels, and see if you can decide which one of these pictures matches which one of these expressions. And then if you really, really want to, you can try to solve for the answer. Remember, by all you got to do is turn the whole number into a fraction. We do that with the 1 as a denominator. I'm just going to write the capital T pose. Capital T pose. That's not a capital T. I'm writing terribly. But as you can see, it looks like a 1 as a denominator. All right, so, and then top times top, bottom times bottom. And then before it's time to say goodbye, don't forget to simplify if you need to. All right, so match them up and then see if you can solve and get the answer. One of these, obviously, you could solve really quickly because it's not a fraction problem. But they wanted to show you kind of like the connection. All right, so whenever you come back, we can look at these. Have fun. Work with your group. Be nice. Tell someone that their hair looks good. All right, welcome back. So if we're looking at 3 groups of 1/4, all right, I need to look and see, is there anything that shows me 3 groups? Well, some of these labels show us that this whole bar is 1 whole. So if that whole bar is 1 whole, then I'm looking at 1/4 here, 1/4 here, and 1/4 here. That's 1, 2, 3 groups of 1/4. So if we're looking at 3 groups of 1/4, then we are looking at this one right here, 3 times 1/4. Remember, to solve that problem, you would turn 3 into a fraction by putting 1 as the denominator, and then you're just going to top times top. 3 times 1 is 3, bottom times bottom, 1 times 4 is 4. Your final answer is 3/4. All right, the second one, 5 times 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3. 5 times 3 is 15. What a brain buster. All right, so this one was 5 times 3. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 3. All right, the next one is 4 times 1/3. So this one might look a little different, but as you can see right here, there's 1/3. There's 2 groups of 1/3, 3 groups of 1/3, and 4 groups of 1/3. So this is 4 times 1/3. If we're going to do the math on that one, we're going to turn the whole number into a fraction by putting a 1 as the denominator, and then we're going to multiply times 1/3. Top times top is 4. Bottom times bottom is 3. 4/3 simplifies to 1 and 1/3. All right, and then finally 6 times 1/8. As you can see right here, there is 6 groups of 1/8, and I'm running out of time. So try